Hello, welcome to back my video in size invoice 3 part. Now delete and edit button save. Okay, save button is some click not comment clear test clear comment content. Okay, changing now part 3. Now party a button delete button save button അല്ല edit button delete edit okay delete button is now two button first edit button test cut yeah okay copy test tamam strconv test 1 test proper case now yes sense who understand to go here one code understand it's two test was to name not no problem three okay edit button only this okay here picture that last picture we are okay now running yeah editing a book editing say Malayalam okay editing okay now 5 Malayalam editing okay now transfer this save okay book Malayalam now apple is a very good good note apple look very good young note okay editing save okay very good now understand editing and deleting it's a code only not a delete some code only code only oh this or the code dim yeah f as any letter, no problem. Yes, okay. For a സമം SN 2. The serial number 2, SN number 2, last number LN. Okay. This is SN the year. This SN LN. Okay, understand? Not forward. Next year. Okay. 1 is column 4 F 1 2 equal 1 to 6. Next F. Okay. Now here SN SN. Okay. F here change the plus 1 only, not any code, but last number minus 1. Okay, now code only. Okay, this code only, delete this code only. Understand? Please try. Now this 2 code delete. Now here call navigation call navigation button. Okay, now test. We are deleting one notebook order. Mango deleting. Apple delete. Okay, Apple delete. How to delete? Okay, delete. Now T book. Now save. Delete your Apple. Okay, delete Apple. This notebook delete to check. Notebook delete notebook. Okay, now doing it. Yes, save. Okay, you understand easy to this class. Okay, please like and subscribe, please. Okay, this video wind up. Next other buttons.